world's largest pistachio. It stands at 35 feet tall and it's comprised of concrete and steel. In 2007, our founding father, Mr. Thomas McGinn, unfortunately passed away, leaving his legacy to Tim and Clarissa. Thomas, he was a pretty cool dad, and he would take his son Tim on these extravagant road trips to visit the world's largest attractions. So in 2008, they decided to commemorate their father and build our very own world's largest pistachio. So this is all a part of the original 40 acres, planted from 1978